Hey guys, it's Sydney and today I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. So, did I bring my water bottle? Grab my water bottle. Did you swallow it?
I didn't. I left it in my mouth. It's this one. Let it go. Did you swallow? She's going to do it, pro. You might want to drink water.
Was something supposed to happen?
Oh my god. I swear, do you want to do it again? Did you really? You have it in your mouth. You have to rinse your mouth with water and drink it. Did you really do it? Let's see. Oh my god.
Jade, watch this.
Was something supposed to happen?
Yeah, I know. People must fake it because honestly, like
Do it again.
she's 9 and she did it. Do you want to do it again?
Put more on it this time, though.
Jaden, come watch this.
Wait, I'm busy.
Hannah, she did it.
Hannah, she freaking did it.
Here's water on that.
What's supposed to happen?
I don't know.
Okay.
It smells really good, though.
It is. It's cinnamon sugar.
You toast and then you
Probably
put butter
why.
on.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy shit.
Let me try.
You?
I dare you to dump it in your mouth.
No, it's mine.
You seriously okay with it?
Yeah.
Take a drink though.
Why?
Because it dries out your mouth.
Okay.
Not a lot, please.
Oh.
Oh, well, I guess that's good. So, you have to swallow it?
Yeah.
Wait, no, you just put it in your mouth pretty much. You don't have
Try
to-
hand, swallow it.
No, don't.
Swallow a little bit of
I
it.
just breathed on it and
Okay.
I swallowed some.
Swallow a little bit. Swallow
Cinnamon.
some.
Because it dries out your
There's
mouth.
cinnamon in my lungs. Cinnamon lungs!
I got through the
What's good for the shade?
Okay, go
It's
Hannah.
gonna dry
Oh,
out.
right here.
You might
But
want
that
to.
little bit I just took, it already dried out my mouth.
Okay, well you have to do it all at once.
I had no reaction.
Okay, you need to
Stop, Jaden, for a second.
Did she have this much?
Yes.
Yeah,
I had
She
more
actually
than
had
that.
more than that, Hannah.
But don't swallow.
Pop it out, watch.
Me and Tara spit it out. Because we took a lot.
Swallow it. Do it again. Here, give me it, and I'll put a little bit on, and I want you to swallow it.
No. Try to swallow.
Swallow.
You want a drink here?
Reaction?
Pop it out.
Do you not like it? Okay, spit.
Spit it out.
Take a drink. Take a drink, it'll help you watch it. Oh, man.
It's like throw up.
Wow, a 9-year-old does it and a 10-year-old.